Hello everyone. Well, I know everyone wants to know when I'm live, and this is my latest version. Right now I'm going live 3 days a week. That would be on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Fridays. Times vary. You may or may not know that I help take care of my parents who live in the next city, and that's an all-day thing. That can be anywhere from 2 days to 5 days a week. So I can't give you a specific time. However, in general, I can say it's more than likely going to be in the morning. However, my suggestion for you is to subscribe and to hit the little notification bell so that you're notified when my videos go live. Don't despair. I don't delete them. They're always out there. You can go back and watch for the day if you've missed it. In the beginning of the video, I try to do a little recap of the day so you know what things you're going to be needing to do in your home. And then we have a little chit chat where I answer specific questions, which can be very helpful. If you want to watch those videos, be my guest. Come on and watch them. Also, if you're interested in something more than like light FlyLady, which is what I call this, FlyLady Light, then you can go to my Patreon channel and become a patron. That's a $5 a month commitment, and you're getting 20 videos a month, 5 a week, 1 a day, Monday through Friday. That's more of a mentoring. It's a little deeper than these videos are, or these lives are. And then if you really want some intense help, then you want to come and be a patron through the Patreon channel. And that's where I offer my classes every semester. So for this semester, it's already filled up. But if you're interested in being a mentee, then you want to be a Patreon first. Then you can have absolutely deep mentoring. And that's what that is. All right, I hope this was helpful for you. I want you to have a fabulous day. Do all your things. Do it. And always remember that you are beautiful.